Hi, I'm Joan. What's a bridge convention? A convention is a bid which is usually artificial. In other words, it's not natural. It doesn't show the suit that it says. And we're using it to discuss with partner how to get extra information. So the bidding, which is the first part of any hand of bridge, is our way to work with partner to find out, do we want to play a contract at all? Are we strong enough? What do we want to play? Do we want to play in no trumps or a suit? And how far can we go? Well, lots of our bidding is natural. I would say where my long suit is, partner says where their long suit is. We try to find a fit. We try to work out how many tricks we can take. But that's not always enough. Sometimes you need to use a bid in an artificial way. An artificial way meaning that you both know that it's asking something. We might need to elicit more information about a particular hand, and you can't do it just by showing your suit. Conventions are something you need to learn with your partner. And my advice is not to take on board too many conventions. There are some very popular ones which will help your game. But it's really important that you and partner know when a bid is natural and when it's conventional. So just try to go through the basic conventions with your partner and make sure that you understand what they're asking.